Here are 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 2 and lesson number 2. This year made me appreciate the challenges that I went through. I look back on all the challenging days and moments and I realize I learned so much about who I am as a person and how I truly want to serve as a human being here on earth. Every single obstacle, every single moment of weakness, every rejection, every heartache, all of them taught me something deeper about myself. And ultimately, that is what life is all about. And that is the purpose of pain. There is purpose in pain. You don't go through challenges because the universe or God is punishing you or testing you or, doing it because you're a bad person. You're going through them because they serve a purpose. All of the challenges that I've gone through this year, now that I'm looking back at them, I realize how much they taught me about who I am, about life in general, or about other people. So what are some of the challenges that you went through this year that taught you something valuable about yourself? Can you look back at a challenging moment and see the blessing or the medicine in it? Share with me in the comments below and follow for more. I'll see you tomorrow for lesson number 3.